You guys love these. Get ready with me. So here is a very quick 10-minute makeup look. Starting the whole thing off with Rosie Jane Natural Deodorant, because you guys always ask. And that turban on my head is a palm print. It's by Kitsch. It's on my Amazon store. Going right in with the Power Move by Stripes. It's Naomi Watts' brand. This makes your skin so dewy and delicious. Obsessed. Also, that shirt is by Womaness, which is a menopause brand. Ulla Hendrickson. I love this lip balm. It's nice and thick and it preps my skin. Okay, hair is coming out. I always use a leave-in conditioner. This is from Salt Air. And then I have a blow dryer above me that kind of helps dry my hair while I'm doing my makeup. Those clips are on my Amazon store. Okay, let's get in. This is CL Tinted Moisturizer. You guys, I am so obsessed. It has SPF in it. It's my new favorite brand. It's so dewy and glowy and it's so easy to use. Okay, we're going right into Born This Way, my favorite concealer of all time by Too Faced. And I'm gonna let that sit and kind of like pigment out. Too Faced, look at this contour stick. It smells like chocolate and I am obsessed. It is so blendable, you guys. Like, check this out. So I'm gonna go in and just put some contour, snatch myself up a little bit. And I also use it as a bronzer. I'm using a beauty blender to blend that out. Okay, eyebrows. This is a Wet n Wild. These are like $5 on my Amazon store. Obsessed. Been doing a very like light brow lately, really into that. But of course, I have to fluff it up still with the Milk Makeup Kush Brow Gel because I still like a fat brow. I just think it makes you look more youthful. I'm just still very much into a fluffy brow. Comment below if you feel the same way. All right, next we are going to blend out that concealer. I've let it sit for a while because I want it to get really pigmented. So if you're not getting enough pigment on your concealer, let it sit while you're doing your brows. Let it sit for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's not going anywhere. Most concealers work pretty well to sit around. Okay, I needed a little bit more. I'm always adding, so I went in more with that contour stick by Too Faced, blending it out again, and look at that. It just blends in like butter, obsessed. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the CL blush. Okay, I did this blush and you guys went crazy. Everybody was asking me about this blush. They're like, what is it? And oh my God, it's so beautiful and dewy. So I'm actually gonna use a bunch of other products from them. These are their highlighters. I mixed two different colors, a lighter and a darker, and it's just gonna give me the glowiest, glowy look. And it's all liquid. I'm putting it all over my nose, kind of like under painting because I am gonna bronze on top of it with powders, but I just like that glow within. I'm gonna set the whole thing with Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, which of course you must do if you don't want your concealer to crease, which I know you don't. Okay, just a little bit of finely milled, really good powder. Pat your eyes out right before you put it in. I also like to go over the parentheses lines and the 11s just to set that shit in place. All right, moving along, we're going to go into bronzer. Today I'm using the Shades by Shan. You can use any bronzer du jour, and this is going to set that whole thing in. And that's what I meant by underpainting, by using products underneath and then layering them on top. You will still see that the shine will come through, but I must set everything because I don't want it to go anywhere. Okay, I'm going to use a super old contour palette, God knows, but I'm going to snatch the nose very precisely. Look how I'm about to snatch my nose, you guys. Just with a little bit of color and shadows, you can really change the look of your face. Okay, so I love doing this because it makes me so excited when I'm done. I'm like, oh yeah. All right, this is the Armani blush in this peach color. I do have a little bit of blush blindness. I have just been going crazy with it. I like a trend. I love a makeup trend and I go for it. Makeup Forever HD setting powder. This is a face powder. I use it on a very light color because I like adding more brightness to the under eye because I am forever a 2019 girly. What can I say? I like a bright under eye and this just makes me look awake even though the sleep, it's not 100 in menopause. You feel me? Okay, this is a Too Faced palette. This is so beautiful, you guys. I'm just gonna go with this light color all over the eyes because again, this is a 10-minute makeup look. I have to like get dressed really quick. I don't want to be overdone, but I am a full glam babe, so I'm trying to get as much as I can in the least amount of time. Windshield wipers across the eyes all over. Then I'm just gonna deepen the outer V with this beautiful dark burgundy color. And I did blend it out, but I skipped that in the video, so you won't see that. But blend, blend, blend your best friend. Now this is the Givenchy liquid eyeliner pen. And of course I'm going in with a baby wing because that, my friends, is my signature style and I love it. I'm gonna do the other side. And then, oh, Ciate London. This brand is so good. If you've never heard of them, Ciate London. They sent me some products and I was so impressed. And mascara is mwah, old school Wet n Wild, loose highlighting powder, okay? Because I'm just going back to highlighting lately. I really believe it's going to come back. I love the look. Highlight that shit. Highlight your face. Okay, set the whole thing off with a setting spray, and this is by Urban Decay, but this one's got glow in it. Glow Recipe Fan. Just dry that face. Okay, that's a Laura Mercier lip lining pencil. You guys, I'm trying something so different. You're always saying my lips are too light, too nude. So I'm like, okay, you want to see some color? I'll add a little bit of color. Okay, this is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It's very pink on me. I don't love a pink lip. I don't love a rosy lip, but you guys have been saying try something different. But of course, I'm looking at this and I know I have to go lighter. Okay, this looks like YSL, but it's not. I depotted this because I didn't like the color in the YSL, and I put my $5, oh my God, Amazon nude in there in Ivory Oat. I love it. And then of course, this is where all the madness begins. We're gonna blend, 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 push the product into the lips, and then City Beauty. This is my favorite plumping lip. I've worked with this brand forever and ever, ever. And that, you guys, pretty much is the makeup look for now. I am very much loving it. Okay, this is the Lange new volumizing blow drying brush. I was in the market for a new one. I tried this one out. I am actually obsessed. This takes me less than 5 minutes. Now, granted, I do have fine, thin menopausal hair, but it just makes your hair look so shiny, and it gives volume in the back of your hair because of the shape of the brush. You can get in there and lift. Okay, Tresemme, best hairspray, spraying the whole thing up. I put the little clips in there to hair train. I like my bangs to go forward. But yeah, that's pretty much the whole look. I hope you guys like this. Comment below what you want to see. I'm going to put it up on YouTube where all the products will be easily shoppable. And again, what do you guys want to see next? Hope you like this. Bye.